In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar using ToSync. This lets you keep your Notion database and Google Calendar connected automatically. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the ToSync website. Choose the option to connect Notion with Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account and select the calendar you want to sync. Review the requested permissions, then click Allow to continue. Next, connect your Notion account. Select your workspace, grant the required permissions, and choose the database you want to sync with Google Calendar. If your database doesn't appear in the list, open it in Notion, click Share, copy the database link, then paste it into ToSync and add the database manually. Continue through the setup and choose your sync preferences. You can sync everything or add filters later if you only want certain events or tasks to be included. When the setup is complete, click Test Sync to make sure the connection is working. After the test is successful, click Continue to activate the sync. Your Google Calendar and Notion database will now stay synchronized automatically. Keep in mind that some advanced syncing features may require a paid ToSync plan. That's how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.